Hi, this side Abdul from Maharashtra vehicle. So currently we have kinetic zinc model. Kinetic zinc model, and we are assembling our controller in this model. So let's see. We already assembled positive, negative, and 3 wires of motor. Also have motor sensor. Same as per the our diagram and zinc diagram. Both are same for the motor. So this one is for from the our side. We are providing this wire with controller. So you have to just assemble this wire into your main wire harness in 2 sockets. Okay, no more connections, only 2 sockets, and one is for remote anti-theft, so no need of that one. So just we are starting the vehicle. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, it's showing a speed also. Brake, brake sensor. Now it is brake sensor, it's also working. Okay, and also on off switch is working. So we have finally successfully replaced the kinetic zinc model with no damages in your main wire harness, and no need of any diagram, nothing. You have to just assemble 2 sockets in your main wire harness and your vehicle will be ready for run. Okay, thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.